So we're in our canine corner. I have Lorelai here with me with the Friends of Horry County Animal Care Center. Welcome back.
Thank you.
And we have this little curious Nutmeg.
This
is what we call her.
Yep.
Yeah. So tell us all about Nutmeg.
She's about 1.5 years old. She's a German Shepherd mix of some sort. She was an owner surrender. She does have a flea allergy, and she's got a little skin infection going on, which is why she's all flaky, but she is under treatment. She's available for adoption. She's up to date on all her vaccines, and she has her microchip, and she will be spayed on the 23rd of February.
And she's housebroken, knows
she
all
is
the
the
mannerisms.
perfect dog.
Yeah, I mean, how nice is that?
She is
not have
the
to train them
perfect
in the
dog.
house.
Yes, she knows all her basic obedience. She can speak if you ask her to speak. She'll give you her paw if you ask her.
That's
great. She's just...
I think she knows we're talking about it right now. She's perfectly just looking into the camera, little model dog. Look at you. You are such a good girl.
She doesn't bark a lot.
Yeah, she's been really quiet this whole show. Hi, Emily. She's really cute. Her face is really cute, little ears and stuff. Really good dog.
Super friendly.
Looking around, kind of curious.
Very curious.
Wants to know what's going on. Are you going to adopt me? She says.
A little playful, but not over exuberant, you know.
Yeah.
Come here, girl.
Really perfect. Okay.
Good
And her adoption fee, how much?
$175.
$175. Okay. And that includes everything, though.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Her spay, her microchip, her vaccines, the deworming, the medication for her skin. Yep.
Okay.
Everything's included. She is the perfect dog.
And you are in need of fosters,
Desperate
volunteers.
need of fosters. Yes, absolutely. Volunteers for our events coming up, and you know, fostering. Dog walking.
Seriously, you have a lot of dogs that you take care of.
Yes.
So if somebody wants to adopt, how do they go about starting that process?
They can go to our webpage, which is www.friendsofhcacc.org, and fill out an adoption application and just put Nutmeg in for the dog's name.
Okay.
Or they can go to our Facebook page, which is Friends of HCACC, Conway, South Carolina.
Okay, great.
Yep.
All right, well, Nutmeg is ready for whoever wants to adopt her. She's just waiting around, so she needs a forever home. So, like we said, if you want to give them a call, it's 733-2819, or you can find them on Facebook or their website. All right, thanks so much, Lorelai.
Thanks for having us.
See you next week.
Appreciate it.